Hello and welcome to another Maintenance Right on Schedule tutorial. My name is David, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily add tasks to the equipment on your boat after you've completed our onboarding process. If you're anything like me, it felt a bit like drinking from a fire hose, trying to learn what needed to be done to maintain my boat when we first stepped aboard. Over the years though, I've gotten more comfortable and have even modified or added to my maintenance schedules with additional tasks that I wanted to complete. Now, it is possible to completely customize the manufacturer recommended maintenance schedule during the maintenance ROS onboarding process. But if you rush through that or are like me and want to modify those schedules further on down the road, this feature is for you. So let's jump right on in. Starting off here on your dashboard, in order to add a task to a piece of equipment, we need to come over to the equipment menu on the left-hand side. This is going to bring up all the sample equipment I have on my boat. And for this example, let's go ahead and use this electric Harken winch. Now I know that there are some maintenance tasks that are manufacturer recommended. Wash fresh water, visually inspect the winch, overhaul, clean, and lubricate. But since this is an electric winch, there's one thing that I like to do as well, and that is to check the electrical connections every so often just to make sure they're not getting loose, adding additional resistance, building up heat. None of those things are good. So in order to add this task, I'm going to go ahead and come and click on the plus sign. This brings us to our schedule builder tool, which I have another tutorial video that goes in great depth of how to use this. So I'll leave a link to that for you now. But for this one, I'm just going to keep it nice and simple, and we're going to say this is a task that's going to repeat by time. I'd like to give it a name, so we'll call it check electrical connections. I'm not going to give it a description for this example. I will, however, say that we're going to do this every 6 months, and then come down and we'll figure out when do we first want to schedule it. I'd like to go ahead and just say we're going to schedule 6 months from today, so I can toggle this completed today. If you have a specific time that you want to do this for the first time, we have a little menu with a calendar option for you down below. So we'll say I completed this today, we'll hit create, and the task is now created as part of this equipment. It'll show up in your regular scheduled tasks, and you can interact with it that way. Now, I think we're just going to wrap up there. That should be a quick and easy overview of how you can add additional tasks to the equipment on your boat. Now, this opens up a lot of possibilities and should allow you to maintain your boat exactly how you want. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.